Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share like internship opportunity, guys. So I don't know how many people know about the opportunity itself. So in today's video, I'm going to share details about the opportunity of internship for college students. Guys, they have various platforms offering internship, guys. So I'm not going to waste much time, guys. Let's get into the video. So before getting video, I just want to give a quick description intro about our Discord channel, guys. So I have been keep on saying about Discord channel from last few videos. So in today's I'm going to make a deep description about it, quick intro about our Discord channel, guys. So you might be asked what's our Discord channel perform for college students, guys. So here's answer, guys. So before answering question, let me share an example how a Discord channel works in community for college students, guys. Let's say if a person you're from tier 3 college student, you've been studying computer science department. So right now you might be in second year, guys. So in second year you might be have this type I just need to apply for research internship. I just need to work on from some projects. I'm not having any connection. So even some case some students they want to publish paper, they won't getting a good faculty at college level, guys. So this is where LinkedIn this is where our Thinkbook helps, guys. So in that place our Thinkbook is going to place a vital role, guys. So main goal of Thinkbook is we're going to connect the people from tier 3 college to tier 1 college. So we're going to act as mediator, guys, between these students, guys. So ultimate goal of our Thinkbook is we just want to connect with people, connect with the students from across the world, guys, not India, across the world, guys. So we have connections from the foreign countries, so we can connect with people with them. You can ask all kind of doubts, guys. So even this is only one advantage of joining Thinkbook community. The second advantage, guys, so you can ask what kind of queries you have, guys. So in my Thinkbook, now we have about 10 people working for Thinkbook community, guys. So 10 people are very they are good at some various platform, guys. Let's say in opinion I'm very good at digital marketing and then the deep learning domain, guys. So I can guide you in this domains. So when I take one of my founder Arunachal, he's good at mathematical concepts, he's good at coding. So he will guiding you in mission AF platform, guys. So they have even we have Akshay and Kishore, and they have good in their own specific field, guys. When you get Akshay is a best motivation speaker, guys. So I have seen I've observed Akshay from last 2 years. So he's a good speaker, guys. So I can say he has all kind of leadership qualities. So if you're someone who just want to start a career and building some leadership domains, you can just get advice from it, guys. So the way not only these 4 guys, we have various amount of people from across the colleges. So this all LinkedIn works, this all Thinkbook works, guys. So I just want to give a quick discussion about Thinkbook, guys. The one more thing I want to add in this Thinkbook point, guys. So we'll be provide awareness program for students, guys. So as you know, if you are tier 1 college, you will getting all kind of opportunities from your college. So you won't be hustling for this an opportunity, guys. Whereas comes tier 3 college, so I'm a tier 3 college student, I won't be getting any kind of opportunity in my college life. So that's the reason we started this community, guys. This is the main point, main additional point in our community, guys. We just start all kind of stuff we have, we know in our minds. We want to give lots of amount of data to tier 3 college students. We just want to help tier 3 college students as much as possible, guys. So as you know, tier 3 college students, they will be lacking in all kind of aspects. They won't be getting opportunities to where to start, when to start, how to start, guys. So this is where the Thinkbook works, guys. So these are the points. If you have events, we want to organize events. So I can say Thinkbook in one word, guys. So Thinkbook is A to Z platform for all kind of students, guys, across the world, guys. So do join our Discord channel. So link in description, guys. So we are planning to make one more video on Thinkbook community, guys. So probably we'll shoot one video on Thinkbook community where you will be introducing my founders and my co-founders and my working interns in the company, guys. So I hope we can shoot that video as soon as possible. I'll get back to you, guys. So we'll shoot as soon as possible, guys. So this is all I just want to give a quick intro about Discord channel. So you might be asking why I'm saying this in this video. So why I'm saying this video, because this video I'm going to in this video I'm going to just give a quick intro about opportunity, guys. So that's the reason it's going to 1 to 2 minutes. So that's the reason I just add this stuff in front. So the students who want to wish to join in our cell, you can join, guys. So even one more thing, guys, we are offering getting internships and then not getting internship, knowing updates about internship is the quick, it's a headache work for students. So I've been experienced a lot for getting internship. I just started hustling for internship from 1 year, guys. So after hustling 1 year, I got internship, guys. So I don't want this kind of stuff to happen to students, guys. So my ultimate goal, not my ultimate goal, my company ultimate goal is just little less time of amount. We just want students to build a career, guys. That's the reason we started this Thinkbook community. So don't miss out opportunity, guys. Link in description. You can join the Discord channel. So as now end of the video, do join Discord channel, guys. It will, trust me guys, it will like fantastic platform for you. We have like various events on the way. We have like knowledge people, we have like all kind of experience people in our community. Don't miss out the opportunity. Do join Discord channel. So that's it about ThinkBook community, guys. Yes guys, that's pretty much about ThinkBook community. Now we'll just jump on it like today's topic, guys. In today's topic, as I said before, in today's I'm going to share like internship opportunity for college students, guys. So like I don't know how many people know about this company called Opportunity Cell. So those who don't know, I'm going to like quick intro about the company, guys. So Opportunity is something, but they have a website. So I don't know like it's a company or not. They have a website, so it's a good website, guys. So I have been like applying internship, Internshala, LinkedIn, Naukri apps. They have like applied using various applications, guys. But I feel like when compared to those websites or applications, I feel like Opportunity Cell is the best application, guys. Why? Because they're not like providing any kind of like let's say in Internshala, you're going to apply a company straight away Internshala, guys. But here they're not going to like providing links anything. They're going to just they're just like providing all kind of description of the job, roles and titles, and then donation months. So at the end of the like they're going to ping us mail, guys. So to that mail you just need to send your resume. In case the company selects your resume, they're going to hire you, guys. So I feel like in Opportunity they even like lots of updates, guys. So like in Internshala, LinkedIn, you might be you won't be find this kind of internships opportunity like updates, guys. So in this like opportunity they have like various updates, guys. So I have been keenly observing this from last 6 months. So I feel like it's the best website, guys. So in short we can say they're acting as a connection between the internships, the students between the companies, guys. So they're working as an intermediate like news reporting for the students and between the companies, guys. So I feel like as a college student you can like try it out this, guys. So like this is the best platform when compared to Internshala and LinkedIn, guys, in my opinion. So I'm not comparing anything. In my opinion, I'm saying this is the best platform, guys. So now they're also offering internship, guys. So not only internship, they have various internship, guys. The first thing they're offering is UX design internship, guys. So it's a work from home, donation 1 month, guys. So even they are offering stipend. So there are various they have like social media marketing internship, campus partners. Campus partners nothing but like you want to be the campus lead of your college. You just going to get updates from the opportunity. You want to like quick updates going to provide to the student, guys. So you want to connect with the company and the college. You're going to like work as middle part in, guys. Right? It's like a college ambassador programs. The second thing, guys, business development internships, sales marketing internships, content writing. So I have seen like in this lockdown period, like most of people getting content writing, guys. So I feel like you can write a content in this opportunity because like they have a good websites. So if you can get selected to the internship, you can like work on content writing, which is going to improve for you, guys. So even they have various amount of open opportunities. So in case if they're satisfied of your work, you may get like permanent job here, guys. And then they have one more SEO analytics, guys. So SEO analytics is a major job, guys. So not only in this company, so all around the world, SEO analytics is a major key role, guys. So if you are into web development, I would suggest like take a course of SEO and analyze all kind of keywords and start working on it, guys. So I feel like SEO is like a major goal for web designers, web development, guys. And then mean stack, videography and editing, guys. So like yeah. One more thing I want and a videography, guys. So trust me, guys, nowadays like designing work is going to demand, guys. So like I'm not like like coding before like 2 years coding was a major drawback, like a major like resource like every student should have to learn. But nowadays like designing is playing a major role, guys. So even like I guess like designing thumbnail, they are charging one thumbnail for 300 rupees, guys. So I feel like instead of focusing on the coding, you can even focus on designing stuff, guys. So if you have good knowledge designing, you will be earning as much as like the person who is going from coding, guys. So I feel like at this point, guys, so you can check it out. Marketing internship, guys. So like these are the like everything offered this company, guys. So I feel like it's a good opportunity, guys. If you want, you can try it out. So I will give you a link in description. You can use and link to apply for an internship, guys. Yes, guys, that's it from my end, guys. So this was about much about internships and pretty good ThinkBook community, guys. So one more request, guys, before ending video, make sure to follow me, make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos, guys. Don't forget to join the Discord channel, guys. Link in description. Take care. We'll meet you soon.